The most powerful inspirational and motivational videos you must watch every day. 5. Laugh, relax, and get inspired channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get video updates. Thank you.
The thing about life is, it's not always easy, and you can't always win. At some point of your life, it hits you. It hits you really, really hard. The person you love doesn't love you back. You get fired. You lose a family member. At some point of your life, you're gonna hit rock bottom. You're paralyzed. You're like, why? And that why can really, really destroy you. Once you start asking yourself, why me? Why not the others? Why me? I'm actually a good person. I never did something significantly bad. Why the hell did it hit me? Because that's life. Life is unfair.
Success is not measured on the days when the sun shines. Success is measured on the dark, stormy, cloudy days. And if you can't absorb failure, you're never going to meet success.
Sometimes it takes things falling apart for better things to fall into place. Sometimes it takes the most uncomfortable path to lead your life to the most beautiful place.
There's going to be bad days, there's going to be dark days, but you got to embrace it, because that pain is what makes you stronger. Failure is what makes you stronger.
You have to accept those down times, because once you realize those down times are just as much part of life as anything else, you're able to strive again.
You'll never see the purpose of the storm until you see the growth it produced. You'll never understand why you went through what you went through until you see the strength, the power, the resilience that it built inside of you.
Ask yourself why, but this why is a better why. Why am I doing this? Why am I failing? Why am I even getting myself in a situation where I could fail? Because I have a dream. Because I have goals. And the more you're thinking back to those original goals, the easier it is for you to get back up and say, all right, it might be difficult, it might be painful, it might be stressful. There might be no people that believe in me, but I believe in myself. You know, it might have been the case that you should have gone through that harsh breakup, that you should have gone through that heavy loss, just in order to find something even better. But the only way to get to that even better is to get back up and work. To get back up and put yourself out there again, and arise from that again, stronger, better, smarter, ready to grasp that new opportunity.
You gotta believe the tables in your life will turn. That pain will become power. That weakness will become strength, and that confusion will become peace. Better things are coming for your life. Every day is a new beginning. It's time for you to start treating it that way.
Thank you for watching Laugh, Relax, and Get Inspired channel. More inspirational and motivational videos coming up next. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get video updates. Please also visit our Facebook page. You like and follow Laugh, Relax, and Get Inspired at www.facebook.com/laugh-relax-get-inspired.